agreed on the need for border disengagement. Must be accelerated in Syria to achieve lasting peace and stability in the country. Iraq open for US businesses, PM as Trump mulls oil prospects. Turkish President Erdogan converts another former Istanbul church into a mosque. Iran has expressed the hope that the UN Security Council will once again reject the United States' demands to extend sanctions against Tehran. Russia has announced that clinical trials of its newly developed coronavirus vaccine will be started next week. Pakistan Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi said, "Not everyone understands the depth of Pakistan's ties with Saudi Arabia." Israeli plans target Hamas position in Gaza after rocket fire. New Zealand mosque attackers to face survivor victims' families in court next week. Iran detains UAE registered ship its crew. In Saudi, the joint coalition intercepted and downed a drone fight from Yemen toward Kingdom. UAE official says that in country we could reintroduce curfew in some areas as COVID-19 cases rise.